Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So I know this is a fantasy car, and uh, and this is also from the older cases as well. But see, one thing I really want to tell you guys, I do have a lot of cars, and I don't have enough time to unbox everything. So I'm just trying to unbox much as possible in a week. So, okay, but first of all, the reason I bought this fantasy car because it exactly looks like a Miura. This is what Miura is supposed to be. And this casting looks really beautiful than the actual Miura's casting. So let's unbox this and see how it looks, and I will compare this with the Lamborghini Miura as well. Okay, here it is, the El Segundo Coupe. Okay, this is a little bit heavy, not much, but it's a little bit heavy, and this casting looks really beautiful. This is the exact reason why I bought this one. It really doesn't have any drawbacks, if you ask me. So they actually have some kind of fiber for the headlights, which is the best thing in this casting. Okay, the entire casting is the best thing, but so think about it. The Miura doesn't even have the headlights, they just painted it. And Miura being the very first supercar in this entire world. This is literally the exact copy of Miura, but done really better. I can say this one is the best. Wow, that looks really nice. This one looks really beautiful. I'm planning to put this in one of the boxes here. So let's see. Okay, before that I just want to compare this with the Miura. So which I have it here. It's a bit dusty. Let me just wipe the dust off. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so here it is. Here is the Miura, if you guys can see, and here is the El Segundo Coupe. Just look at it. So this one looks way too better compared to the actual Miura. Wow, they really did dirty on my boy here, but this one is one of the best casting from Mattel. Okay, let's continue reviewing this one. Just give me 1 second, I will put this back. Okay guys, let's do a roll test now. It doesn't roll well. Both wheel wobbles a lot, but it looks really beautiful when it rolls, with the golden rims. It looks really beautiful. But anyway, I'm just going to keep it as a showpiece only. If you guys are playing to play with it, I don't think this will make a good track car, but the details are really phenomenal here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And if you really want to support me, please go ahead and subscribe. So that would be great help for me, and it helps me to grow this channel a lot more faster and better. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.